Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the image and immediately duplicating the background so you never overwrite the original. Use a medium brush and zoom to 100% for precision. Make small strokes. Once done, select the healing brush or content-aware fill depending on complexity, and work from the edges of the writing inward so texture blends naturally. Make a new layer for sample cloning when you need to preserve structure, and save incremental versions as you proceed to avoid losing progress. Now you refine. Alternate between the clone stamp and healing tool to match texture and grain. You want to sample nearby clean areas, change brush hardness and opacity to blend seams. Once done, switch to a layer mask and paint with black or white to hide overcorrections, making transitions seamless. Make sure to frequently toggle visibility to inspect changes at different zoom levels, and use noise or blur subtly to match the original film grain. This preserves realism without obvious retouching. Finish by comparing your edit against the original and export a copy while retaining the layered file. You should adjust color balance, contrast, and add a tiny amount of noise if the repaired area looks too smooth. If you encounter halos or repeating patterns, make sure to undo, sample smaller areas, and use the patch tool with feathering. This reduces artifacts. Finally, make one last pass at different zooms. If something still reads wrong, step back, mask, and blend again until the repair is invisible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.